In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a person to be seen by all on Zoom. If you've ever tried to make one speaker the main focus for everyone and found that pin only affects your own view, here's the key. You'll want to use Spotlight, which tells Zoom to make a specific video the primary view for all participants. First, make sure you're the host or a co-host of the meeting. Only hosts and co-hosts have permission to spotlight someone for everyone. If you don't see the option I'm about to show, that's usually the reason. In that case, ask the host to promote you to co-host, or have them follow these steps. Next, locate the person you want to highlight. You can do this in the video grid or by opening the participants panel. In the grid, move your mouse so the meeting controls and video thumbnails appear, then find the person's video tile. If you prefer the list view, click Participants to open it and identify the person there. Now, spotlight their video. Hover your cursor over their video tile until you see the three dots, sometimes labeled as More. Click those dots and choose Spotlight for everyone. The moment you do this, Zoom pushes that video to the forefront of everyone's view, overriding active speaker switching. This is perfect for a main presenter, a moderator, or anyone you want the entire audience to focus on, regardless of who's talking. You can also spotlight multiple people at once, up to 9 participants. After you've spotlighted the first person, repeat the process on another participant and select Add Spotlight. This lets you build a multi-person layout that stays consistent across the meeting, which is great for panels, interviews, or a presenter plus interpreter. Keep in mind, the exact arrangement may vary slightly depending on each viewer's screen size, but everyone will see the same set of spotlighted speakers. If you need to stop or change the spotlight, it's just as simple. Hover over the spotlighted video, click the 3 dots, and choose Remove Spotlight. You can remove one person at a time if you've spotlighted multiple, or clear all spotlights if you want Zoom to return to the usual active speaker or gallery view. If you want to switch who's featured, remove the current spotlight and then spotlight the new person, or just add another spotlight to include them. That's it. Remember, host or co-host permissions, find the person, choose Spotlight for everyone, add more if needed, and remove when you're done. With Spotlight, you're in full control of what everyone sees.